Need to optimize screen brightness for Netflix on your mobile? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily optimize the screen brightness for Netflix. First thing first, head over to the settings of a device. Inside the settings, you need to move into Control Center. Inside Control Center, you need to click on Reset Control Center. And then once again tap on Reset Control Center. This should help you out. If not, go back and you need to head over to Display and Brightness right over here. In this space, from here you can see the brightness. You can adjust the brightness by dragging right side or the left. Set the brightness according to your need for the Netflix. Once done, now go back and head over to your application Netflix. Select your specific account and then it will land you on this home page. Now from here, you can move into any of the movie or the series that you want to watch. Once the video starts to play, at the left side of the screen, you can drag it from the bottom to top. You will be able to adjust the brightness from there as well. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.